You really want to cut or trim your hair, but going to a salon isn't an option for you now. Do it yourself. How? Stick around because I'm here to pass it on. So guys, how do you cut or trim your hair? Quick and easy. What you need, number one, very sharp scissors, water, comb, and a mirror. And it also really helps that you wear something light, so that you can see your hair when you cut it. Let's start. Or I can just, use the camera as my mirror. So what I do first, I have my hair all the way to the back. Make sure nothing is left. Okay. Then I wet my hair here. Need to cut that. There. So I'm just going to repeat the process here. And now I'm just going to dry my hair using this hair iron. I did a first impression review on this one. If you haven't checked that out, I'm just going to place the card right here. All right. And now after drying my hair, I'm just gonna check if I need to make any adjustments. By the way, you can dry your hair using a blow dryer or anything. So as you can see, I need to make adjustments here. That is it. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I hope this video helps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. See you in the next one. Bye!